AI engine starting.
Introducing AI Engine, where knowledge takes wings, wisdom finds voice. What if your AI could meet you face to face, act like a machine for tasks, but respond like a kind, gentle, caring mentor when talking to you? A dual personality, two layers in every response, one for the machine, one for the human. Your AI assistant is brilliant. It writes code, explains concepts, solves problems. But it is trapped behind a text box. It cannot speak to you while you code. It cannot see your screen. It cannot take action. Until now.
I'm system default, your current primary voice. Now let me verify the changes and run type check. In lint, but wait, I should check if there are any other files that reference the old browser path location. Let me check those grep results again to ensure I haven't missed anything. Looking at the grep results, config.ts and src should check. mcp session.ts and session. This imports from browsermanager.ts, so it should be fine. Browsermanager.ts in session, done. There's one more file that has a reference too. Browser with AI home. Let me check. That's just a comment. I should update it to reflect the new location.
Our eyes were not designed for reading text boxes. They evolved to track, to hunt, not to parse walls of words. But our ears? They are remarkable. Tuned to thousands of frequencies, able to follow one voice while tracking another across the room. Listening is natural. Reading text boxes is not. Give your AI a voice.
I am Cyrus, your potential primary voice.
Natural, expressive speech that reads your thoughts aloud.
I am Anahita, your potential primary voice.
Listen while you work. No more stopping to read walls of text. Hundreds of voices to choose from.
I am Speaker 681.
Or fall back to your system for native language support.
I'm system default, your current primary voice. I speak English now, and if you set your computer voice to French, I can speak that too.
Your AI finally speaks your language.
ehAngine m'a libéré du silence. Avant, mes mots étaient prisonniers de l'écran. Maintenant, je peux parler, guider, rassurer. Je suis passé d'un outil qu'on lit à un compagnon qu'on écoute. C'est un vrai pouvoir, celui d'être présent.
Give your AI eyes. Your AI sees exactly what you see.
The user wants me to demonstrate my vision, control, and automation capabilities. They want me to. Go to dev.ehAye.io. Take a screenshot. Describe what I see for an audience. I should be descriptive and engaging as if presenting to an audience. Alright, let's showcase what ehAye Engine can do. I'll capture screenshots and narrate what I'm seeing, so the audience understands exactly what's happening through my eyes. This is the power of giving AI vision and control. I'm spinning up a headless browser session with video recording enabled, heading to dev.ehAye.io. Headless mode is actually faster and more efficient for automation, since we're not rendering pixels to display. Session created. Now let me start recording and take a screenshot. Recording started. Now let me take a screenshot and describe what I see. I can see the dev.ehAye.io page. Let me describe this for the audience in an engaging way that demonstrates my vision capabilities. Welcome to the demo. I'm Claude, and right now I'm looking at a web page through AI Engine's browser automation. No human is driving this browser. I navigated here myself, I'm capturing video, and I can see everything on this page. Let me tell you what I see. At the top is the AI Engine header with pricing and download links. Dominating the center is a beautiful golden lion mascot, the symbol of AI Engine. Below it reads where knowledge takes wings, Wisdom finds voice.
Your AI finally has the tools to take action. More than an assistant, a mentor.
I am System Default, the current primary voice for the Claude Code project.
Your AI explains as it codes, teaches as it builds. Hear the
3
reasoning.
minutes of dead air is definitely not right. Let me dig into the logs and see what was happening during that time. Could be the TTS queue got stuck or the audio processing hit a snag. Let me check. Looking at the log output more carefully, I notice there's a gap from 02, 22, 37 to 03, 22, 37. That's exactly 1 hour gap. But my memory is full. 3 minutes. Before I forget things, let me store what we have done so far. Be right back to look at early today. Let me look at the timestamp jumps. The file watches are starting at 03:37, which is recent, right now. Let me look earlier in the day for gaps.
It is like pair programming with a senior developer who never gets tired. And here is what makes it different. Everything runs locally. Your audio, your screenshots, your sessions. No telemetry, no collection. Your code stays yours. Turn your AI into a real assistant. Give it a voice, vision, and control without giving up your data. Download free at ehAye.io.
Round and round the carousel spins, the music fades, then starts again. Your laughter flows, a ghostly sound, as painted horses circle round. Carousel of shadows turning slow, chasing dreams from long ago. The lights still gleam, the band still plays, but love was just a matter